Fefe, what you doing? You washing your car? Okay, come on this side, baby. You gotta get up here, baby. You gotta get on this side. You see? It's dirty, yeah, wash your car. You got it? Okay. You gonna make sure it's clean? Really clean? Okay. Whoa, you getting it on your shoe? Yep, good job. All right, baby. All right, can I do it? Please? Let me do it, please. Say excuse me. The water hot? Okay. You gonna start your own car wash? Tell them $5 a car. No, $20 a car wash. $20? Ask them where your money.
Say where my money.
All right, baby.